Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Sing Mei Liao Liao or Green Plum Liao Liao, chapter 101. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to pay you. It's up. Didn't you say you can wait for me at home? Why haven't you? Return? It was a low voice. Now she's speaking to herself. Hey you, today's homework has not been handed in. Oh, what you mean by that? Right now, Song. She was portraying a Flay. She is wearing a uniform. What's wrong, classmate Faye? Now, Song, did you really want to act Flay? Pay you right now. Seems that this is a new birthday present. What a birthday gift. Today is your birthday. Now, this is really strange. Song, she was really good at acting. Don't think that I won't tell the teacher if I say that. If you don't hand in your homework, remember your name. Oh, this is funny. Right now, Peyo said to her, "You're a childish ghost." Well, she knows that song she is portraying, but right now, of course, it's really corny. It's not really funny to her. So, how can you not tell the teacher? So, will you let me do anything? Feiyu said to her. But Song, is anything okay? Song said to Feiyu. Oh, this girl. She was really tricky. What is she thinking about right now? She moved closer to Feiyu and pushed her gently. Well, she's being tricky. Feiyu don't have any idea what's going on right now. She was sitting at the table. Then she said to her, "Be nice." She moved closer gently, looking at the two of them. Song, she has some plan for her. She moved closer and closer. Now, Peyu. She's been caught on the end. Suddenly, she opened her jacket. Peyu said, "Song classmate, does the teachers knows that you are dressed like this in the school?" The tricky sides of Song can be shown in front of Peyu. Song said to her, "No, no one knows, just to show it to you. It's only for you." Hearing this right now, Feiyu suddenly stopped. "Didn't I make you trouble? So be nice. Why did you ask me back?" Still Song, you want to play hard. That's why she's been tricky to Feiyu. She moved closer to her, acting that she's going. Suddenly, she stopped. Well, did she really realize something? Suddenly, took a big breath in. Well, she really needs to. Right now, looking at Feiyu, is she really feeling good? What Song is doing to her? Well, it really seems to. Now, he was hissing. Turns out, turns out today, it was Song birthday presents for her. "Hey how, you're so squeamish," Song said to her. Oh, this girl. She know how to complain. But right now it seems that she was really enjoying this. But Peyo said to her, "You, I'm dying." Well, Song, she was really tricky. Said to her, all right, don't wear it anymore." Now, looking at Peyo, she was looking at her. Song took off the glass and put it on Peyo's face and said to her, "I bought it for you today. It's a flat. It was new." Well, it really good on Peyo. Right now, Song said to her, "So beautiful." Oh, after a short play, right now, Song is trying to coax Peyo back again. Well, she was a little childish. "Old classmate, Pei, I have wearing glasses tonight." Well, today, it was really a great present for her. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!